The rich are always getting richer, and it's not merely a matter of luck or inheritance, but rather a well-crafted strategy underpinned by effective financial habits. In the grand scheme of wealth accumulation, these habits play a pivotal role, often acting as the silent catalysts that fuel the engine of prosperity. Throughout this enlightening journey, we'll delve into the core principles of financial wisdom, shedding light on the mindset of wealth and the habits that sustain it. Today you will learn the simple financial habits that keeps the rich rich. Wealth is not just about money, it's about mindset. A profound truth, isn't it? If you delve deeper into the lives of the rich and successful, you'll find that they don't just think about the here and now, they are strategic long-term thinkers. They are not afraid to take calculated risks, to step out of their comfort zones and venture into the unknown, because they understand that high reward often requires high risk. Moreover, they prioritize financial literacy. They continuously educate themselves about financial matters, staying updated on market trends and economic shifts. They understand that money is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the skill of the one wielding it. So if you're looking to accumulate wealth, start by cultivating a wealthy mindset. Embrace long-term thinking, be open to taking calculated risks, and commit to improving your financial literacy. The rich have a golden rule: pay yourself first. This core habit is not just about putting money into a savings account, it's about investing in your future self. You see, when you receive your paycheck, the first portion should go towards your financial goals. This could be anything from saving for retirement, building an emergency fund, or investing in a business. It's about prioritizing your future financial well-being above all else. This habit ensures that your wealth continues to grow over time rather than being depleted. It's like planting a seed that will grow into a sturdy tree, providing you with financial security and peace of mind. By consistently paying yourself first, you're setting a solid foundation for a prosperous future. It's a simple yet powerful habit that can transform your financial destiny. So the next time you receive your paycheck, remember to pay yourself first. Let me know in the comments below, what do you do first when you receive your paycheck? The rich don't chase money, they let it come to them. Now this might sound counterintuitive, but let me explain. The secret lies in automating finances. It's like setting your money on autopilot, allowing it to work for you even when you're asleep. Think about it, when your finances are automated, your savings grow without you having to lift a finger. Every paycheck, a predetermined amount gets stashed away, snowballing into a significant sum over time, but it doesn't stop at savings. Investments too can be automated. Regular, consistent contributions to your investment portfolio can mean the difference between a comfortable retirement and a stressful one. And let's not forget about bills. Automating bill payments ensures you never miss a due date, saving you from late fees and maintaining a healthy credit score. In essence, automating finances is about creating a system that makes managing money effortless. So, set it, forget it, and let the magic of automation do the work. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please like and subscribe for more content to help you achieve financial freedom. The rich don't just earn money, they manage it. That's right, money management is a secret weapon of the wealthy, and at the heart of this management is the art of budgeting. Now, budgeting might sound like a mundane task relegated to the realm of accountants and finance officers, but in reality, it's a crucial tool that the rich use to control their finances. You see, budgeting is not about limiting the joy of spending, it's about maximizing the value of every single penny. It's about knowing where your money is going, and more importantly, where it should be going. The rich understand that a well-planned budget is like a GPS for their financial journey. It helps them avoid unnecessary expenses, invest wisely, and ultimately increase their wealth. So, if you aspire to be rich, start by mastering the art of budgeting. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how well you manage what you earn. The rich buy assets, not liabilities. Now let's explore this statement in more depth. In the simplest terms, an asset is anything that puts money in your pocket. It could be investment properties, stocks, bonds, a side business, or even royalties from a book. On the other hand, a liability is anything that takes money out of your pocket. This includes your mortgage, car payments, and credit card debts. The wealthy focus on acquiring assets because they generate income even when they're not actively working. It's like having a team of silent partners working around the clock to make you richer. Liabilities, however, are like holes in your wallet, constantly draining your resources. This isn't to say that all liabilities are bad. Some are necessary, like a home mortgage, but the key is to understand the difference and to focus on building a healthy portfolio of income-generating assets. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. This principle is at the heart of consistent investing, a key habit that propels the wealthy towards even greater financial heights. Imagine money as your own personal workforce. Each dollar you invest is like an employee tirelessly working around the clock to generate more wealth for you. The magic of consistent investing is that it's not about the amount you invest, but rather the regularity of your investments. Think of it as planting seeds. The more seeds you plant, the larger your crop will be. But remember, not every seed will sprout immediately. Some will take time. The same applies to your investments. Some will flourish quickly while others need time to grow. The beauty of consistent investing is that it transforms the concept of wealth from a sprint into a marathon. It's a long-term game where patience and persistence pay off. Invest consistently and let your money do the heavy lifting. The rich live below their means. A powerful statement that often gets lost in the razzle-dazzle of luxury lifestyles we see on social media. But what does it really mean to live below your means? It's about avoiding lifestyle inflation, a trap many fall into as their income increases. Imagine this. You get a promotion, a hefty raise comes with it. Suddenly you're eyeing a designer bag or a flashy car that was once out of your reach. You reason, I'm earning more, so I should be able to spend more. This, dear friends, is lifestyle inflation. The wealthy, however, dance to a different tune. They resist the urge to increase their spending as their wealth grows. Instead, they focus on investing and growing their wealth further. They understand that a luxury item is not a badge of wealth, but a dent in their financial freedom. The rich don't rely on one source of income. Now let's delve into the concept of multiple income streams. This isn't about juggling countless jobs or burning the candle at both ends. It's about diversifying your income, creating a financial safety net, and enhancing your earning potential. Imagine a river flowing with abundance. That's your main income. Now picture smaller streams branching off, each bringing its unique flow into your financial river. These streams could be anything from a part-time job to real estate investments to a side business or dividends from stocks. The benefits are twofold. Firstly, when one stream dries up or faces a setback, the others continue to flow, ensuring stability. Secondly, these streams can grow over time, potentially even outpacing your main income. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic approach to build and safeguard your wealth. So remember, it's about diversifying, not dividing your efforts. The rich never stop learning. This is a golden rule carved in the minds of those who have successfully navigated the financial seas. They understand that the world of finance and investments is a dynamic and ever-changing landscape, bursting with opportunities and fraught with challenges. Continuous learning is not just about staying updated with the latest trends or mastering new investment strategies. It's about cultivating a mindset that embraces change, seeks out new ideas, and thrives on intellectual curiosity. It's about being flexible and adaptable, ready to ride the waves of financial change rather than being drowned by them. And let's not forget, the pursuit of knowledge is not a solitary endeavor. The most successful individuals surround themselves with a network of experts, mentors, and peers from whom they can learn and grow. They understand that every conversation is an opportunity for learning, every interaction a chance for growth. The rich understand that wealth takes time. This might seem like a simple concept, but it's one of the cornerstones of financial success. Building wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about immediate gratification or overnight success. It's about planting seeds and patiently waiting for them to grow. Patience gives your investments time to mature, your assets time to appreciate, and your wealth time to compound. It's about resisting the temptation to cash in early or deviate from your financial plan. Focus, on the other hand, keeps your eyes on the prize. It ensures you're not swayed by every new investment fad or fleeting opportunity. It's about maintaining a clear vision of your financial goals and staying committed to them. Despite the turbulence of market fluctuations or life's unexpected twists and turns, Combining patience with focus creates a powerful synergy that fuels wealth accumulation. Now it's your turn. It's time to take these financial habits and weave them into the fabric of your life. Don't be daunted by the scale of the task. The journey to financial freedom, like any other, begins with a single step. Start small, perhaps with automating a small portion of your paycheck into a savings account or learning about a new investment avenue every week. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about making a massive effort once in a blue moon, but about taking small, calculated steps every single day. Every dollar saved, every asset acquired, every piece of knowledge gained takes you one step closer to your financial goals. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a lifestyle, a mindset, a commitment to your future self. It's about building a strong financial foundation that will stand the test of time and weather the storms of economic uncertainty. Start today and create your own path to wealth. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. I will see you in the next video.